Hello everybody, it's just me this time. My friend is coming soon. We modified our bikes with some playing cards. That's why you hear that sound in the background. I'm just gonna let you listen to it. I hope you enjoy. Oof. Now, we haven't tested it out that much. But, when you go a certain speed, it gets loud. Now I'm gonna go down this hill, like we did yesterday, with the cards on. And I'm sorry if that sound annoys you, but that's all we got. Now I don't know how to mute it. But this is what this side of my bike looks like. My dad helped me with that. So I don't know what he was thinking, but he did an okay job. Now, if my friend wasn't here, I would do more idiotic stuff. But my first YouTube video, here by myself, doing this. Here he comes. Bye.